kinay, order kami kinilakay ko. Dati, urmot-urmot na eh. Kas nakit ko, ano, we call this, ano, loves, urmot-urmot. Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I want that.
So that's
See,
pubic hair salad. Huh?
Wayne. Wayne.
Oh,
My goodness. I want that, okay?
okay, no
What,
problem.
what?
I will make sure they get the chef's ornament put in the salad.
They call it sunumunu salad.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
And then, are you ready?
Urmot. This one, what?
Seaweed salad.
Yeah.
Okay.
And loves.
We want the California sunset.
California sunset.
That's it.
And then I want, give me the shrimp and scallops.
Shrimp and scallop with the egg yolk sauce.
Yeah.
And then fried rice or white rice?
Give me just right.
White rice, okay. And then for you guys salad, yum yum with ginger dressing.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Is
Yeah,
that?
I guess so.
Ginger?
Yeah.
Magyan alam.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
My food, huh?
What is it?
You're gonna end up eating my food, aren't you?
Of course. And sharing is caring. This is the reason why we have date. To remind you that you have a beautiful, wife that you need to take care of. My happiness is taking video with my husband, whether he like it or not.
Right. Spill my sin.
You're so bad. That's ubigaw. Next, urmot. You want to try the urmot labs? Kita niyo ito, urmot na. Urmot na ito eh. Kinayo. You need to use the kinayo. Oh, you already used your kinayo?
Kinayo.
Why they don't have a spoon? Papalda ng bagi.
They have soup.
Why you need to torture me?
Torture yourself for what?
Use some chopstick.